Hello everyone, this is Jesse again. I am producing this short video to try to answer Melvin's question about opening the Premier product database files that were provided by Professor Struck for the Pass-Fail Chapter 2 assignment. He asks if anybody is running into issues loading it. I didn't have any problems, so I'm going to walk through the steps that I used to open it. He describes an error involving versions. I'm not sure what's triggering this error, but hopefully the steps that I provide will help. So what we would do is start by obviously navigating over to the Chapter 2 Pass-Fail assignment, which is right here, and this is the download link. We're going to go ahead and save that file. And here it is. I've already downloaded it once, but we just double click on it to open it wherever it saves it. And it's a self-extracting exe. So what we want to do here is we want to extract this to a folder. We don't want to put it in the same place as an existing if we do have an existing project of the same name. So what I'm going to do is navigate. I hit browse here, and then I'm going to navigate to my documents. Visual Studio 2010 under my documents, websites, because that's what we're using is website projects, and I'm going to select that folder, and then I'm going to go ahead and just go to the far right of this path here, this file path, and I'm going to add a new folder. I'll call it Premier Products 2, just as a placeholder. Okay, great. So now when I navigate to that place, I go to Documents, and I go to Visual Studio 2010, and I go to Websites. I will find that there is a Premier Products 2 folder, and in there's a Premier Products folder. And that contains the app data and the premier.mdf file, which is the database. So we're going to open that from within Visual Studio. Open up Visual Studio. Great. Go to File, Open, Website. It's pointing me in that direction because this is where we work, so you'll probably find the same thing. Go to Premier Products 2. And double click on the Premier Products folder, which is under the Premier Products 2 folder, and hit open. And there we go. And then we just double click on the database, and it opened right up. So now I didn't have any trouble with this. Oops, wrong folder. That was supposed to happen, actually. I didn't have any trouble with this. The tables are all present. And it looks intact to me. Let's see. Show table data. There it is. The table data is full. And then there should be no views. Right, we have to go ahead and create the views. And that's about it. If this does not solve your problem, then the one clue I have here is the version number. It is version 655, and this server supports 612 and earlier. Tells me that you probably need to update the Microsoft SQL Server on your computer. So you'll want to just do a Google search for that download. I thought when I installed Visual Studio, I thought it installed that to the latest version. So I'm not exactly sure, but if you continue to have issues, then that means that the professor created this database in a version of MS SQL Server that's higher, that's newer than the version that's currently running on your machine. So it's just a matter of updating that, and that should be free. You just do a Google search for MS SQL Server download. And that should help. If you still need help or have additional questions for me or anybody, just send me it. Well, I mean, you can send it up on the forum here, but if you send me a message directly, I'll get it right away and I'll respond. So just go to class list and find me and shoot me a message here, and it'll show up on my phone, and I will respond as quickly as I can. I hope this helped.